Right YouTube, what is going on? And welcome to Western Australia. So Irene and I are over here in Perth for 6 days. So we've got a little MG, a little Buzzbox car. So we're going to be touring the North Coast, South Coast. We're going to Rottnest Island tomorrow. And we're just going to see what we can get up to. So sit back, relax, enjoy the video. And I hope you guys see some cool scenery that you haven't quite seen before. And I think we're going to these limestone, I think they're called the Pinnacles. So pretty keen to see that. Obviously, Rottnest Island is a major bucket list item for the two of us. And we're down here on the south coast now. We're at, I think it was Peron Bay, I think it is. So again, absolutely stunning. You don't quite get scenery like this in Queensland. So this is really awesome for us to see. So as I said, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. How's it going on the bike, Irene?
Good.
Got the backpack strapped on, MacGyvered up. Irene wore long pants and her bloody shorts got caught in the chain. But look at this, everybody else was riding that one. We go, oh, we found this track, let's go up here and look at that. So by the looks of it, we're following this train track and it should go down that hill and we'll get on those mountains and have a squiz. This place is unreal. Holy shit. So yeah, we've been walking for like, maybe 10-15 minutes and it brought us down to here. Not a single person in sight. And I've never seen water that's like this turquoisey aqua blue. What do you reckon, Irene?
It's absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, this is awesome. Unreal. can't go anywhere without footy.
I think I mentioned about trying to get into the
KO Sport for the win. Righty guys, so we're here at the Pinnacles. So Irene and I drove, we left at like 9 AM this morning. We went 2 hours up, I think it was Indian Ocean Drive. The most scenic drive you'll ever go on. Like we've been all the way from Brizzy up to Cairns, and that west coast, there is nothing around it like that in Queensland. But yeah, so we're here at the Pinnacles. These are a natural, like a limestone formation. Insane, there's so many people here. So we've walked like way up a hill where nobody is. This place is unreal. So the agenda today, so this is day 3. So we were at Rottnest Island yesterday. That was grouse, absolutely fantastic. So we've driven 2 hours north, as I said. So on the way back, we're just gonna stop in at every west coast we see. So yeah, we'll see what we get up to. We don't really have a plan, but we're just gonna have a squiz around here because yeah, it was on the itinerary. So yeah. Fair dinkum. Look at MAD MG. Look at the little buzz box we got. It's out here in the sand. It's actually like funny as it's got way more grunt than the MUX. It's actually quite fun to drive. But it's funny as, but. All right, so that's, what's this place called? The Pinnacles. That's the Pinnacles all done. What do you reckon, Irene?
Yeah,
Good. It was nice. It's different. Don't see stuff like this in Queensland, so it's cool for somewhere different. So yeah, I think we need to get fuel because buzz box is nearly empty. So MAD MG. So we'll go find a servo, and then yeah, as I said before, we're just gonna find some places on the west coast and pull up and see what it's all about. So see you at the next spot. So we just left the Pinnacles, and the little buzz box MG was nearly out of fuel, so we put in nearest fuel location. It was this town called Cervantes or Curventes, however you want to pronounce it. And everywhere you go on the west coast is just this aqua blue water that you don't get in Queensland. There's heaps of islands scattered out, so I want to get the drone up and show you guys where we are, because this is insane just for pulling up to a random little town to get fuel. And this is what you look at, so absolutely incredible. Righty guys, it's the last day in Perth. Well, we actually leave tomorrow morning, but every afternoon Irene and I have been like, oh, we want to go watch a sunset, because obviously the sunset's on the west side. And so we just quickly ran out the apartment and pulled up to Trig Beach. So it's just north of Scarborough. And wow, oh wow. It's full suburbia there. Like, there's houses all up on the street looking down here, but look, nobody on this beach. We got it to ourselves. So I'm gonna get the drone up and get some nice clips of the sunset, I reckon. But yeah, this is absolutely sensational. Okay guys, that is a wrap for travelling to Perth, Western Australia. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as we did, because honestly that was an amazing trip. Get keen for next week, because we got the MADMUX getting a new bull bar, and I'm really excited for you guys to see it because it's something really different. And the week after that, we're going to Fingal Head and we're doing some beach driving. So I'm going to be trying to upload a video every single week for you guys. So make sure you smash that subscribe button, like the video, and I'll see you on the next one.